In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to solve Rubik's Cube within 1 second. Okay, so this is what the secret looks like. You're going to hold the Rubik's Cube in your left hand, between your thumb and middle finger, right hand on top like this. Just copy me, okay? Now you're going to twist the right side while pushing with your ring finger. Then the left index finger pushes this layer, and then you twist again. So in slow motion, this is what it looks like. So this, then this. And when you combine it together and do it smoothly, this is what it looks like. So you start with the setup like this, then you reverse it, and that's how you solve